It's been a little icy. You know, it'd be nice if we could keep people off the road, make our job go a little smoother.
Well, if we get more snow on Friday, we're just gonna have to handle it. Our men are used to it, and we'll work around the clock to keep everything rolling.
It was supposed to go at 9. We came here like 6:30 in the morning, and they just said it's canceled.
$99 million tons of snow fall on New York in the greatest storm of its recorded history. Thousands are marooned away from home as travel facilities halt and accidents multiply in the streets. With traffic nearly at a standstill at the height of the storm, most activity ceases, and then the metropolis becomes a silent city under a ghostly mantle.
We're hoping for warmer weather.
It's a big surprise to me. I'm getting ready to put my shorts on.